Hi everyone. Like to manage multi-branches with a single company in planning? The Planning Branch Odoo app let you to handle a branch separately with a rule-based access, ensuring a smooth operation across all units. Let's check it out. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the settings. Over here, under the user and companies, where we can create and branches. So I have created branch with the company. We can add a telephone number over here and also the addresses like this. So once everything is done, let's get into the user now. And you can see a mutual admin over here. And for this mutual admin, I just need to give an access for the branch as an admin, or else we have an access for a user too. And I have given the planning access, and also I enable the multiple branches. Now we need to set up what are the branches or allowed for this particular user. So for that, we need to get into the preferences where we can give an allowed branches. I have given enabled all the branches as we have a three branch. Okay. Now, after enabling all these options, let's get into the planning. So in this planning, we can see all the records which we have created for an Ahmedabad branch. Now to create a new one, you can just click on the new option available here to create a new record for planning, where we can give the role, resources, company, and also branch. Branch is taken from the default branch which are currently selected. Now you can see it will be an Ahmedabad branch. Okay. Now let's create the added the resources, and everything can be added over here. Now these records will be there in the Ahmedabad branch. So if I get into the list view, where you can see a list of scheduled resources where they are for an Ahmedabad branch. Now if I change to Delhi branch, there you can see a record which is based on Delhi related records can be seen here in the planning. So you can see over here. So if I needs to create a new one from the Delhi branch, so it will automatically fetch a Delhi as a branch over here. And if you need to filter it out based on the branch wise, we can make use of this option to filter it out. So it will filter based on the branch wise, as you can see in the list view. So it will be filter based on the branch wise. And to enable a multi-branch access, there is another module we have. Check in the description for that module too. This is how our module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.